In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product in Hostinger Website Builder and make it live. Let's get started inside your Hostinger Website Builder dashboard. From here, head straight to the Store Manager. This is your control center for everything you sell, and it's where you'll add new items, manage inventory, and control how products display on your site. Once you're in the Store Manager, click Add Product. This opens a clean, guided form that walks you through everything you need. Right away, choose the product type. If you're selling something you'll ship, like apparel, accessories, or handmade goods, select Physical. If it's something your customers download, like an ebook, a template, or audio, choose Digital. Picking the correct type ensures the right options appear later, like shipping for physical items or file delivery for digital ones. Next, fill in the essentials: your product name, a clear and compelling description, the price, and any other relevant details. Aim for a name that's easy to recognize, and write a description that answers common questions, highlights benefits, and explains what makes the product valuable. Keep pricing clear and accurate, and if available, consider adding a compare at price to show a discount. This is also a good place to set identifiers like SKU, categorize the product so shoppers can find it easily, and add tags for better organization and search. Now upload your product images. Use high quality, well-lit photos with consistent backgrounds. Start with a strong main image, then add any additional angles or detail shots that help customers feel confident in their purchase. If you can, keep file sizes optimized so pages load quickly, and set the most representative image as the primary one. If it's relevant to your product, add inventory, variants, or shipping details. For inventory, enable stock tracking and set quantities to avoid overselling. For variants, create options like size or color, and assign specific prices or images to each if needed. For physical items, enter weight and dimensions to calculate shipping accurately. For digital items, make sure your file is properly attached and ready for secure delivery. When everything looks good, save the product. This stores all your work and prepares it for your storefront. Finally, publish or update your website so the new product appears live. After publishing, give the page a quick look to confirm the images, pricing, and description display the way you expect. That's it. Your new product is now ready for customers to discover and buy.